Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have opened GX web browser and I'm going to show you how can I easily import bookmarks. If we go to the settings icon over here and click on it, then we have to go to bookmarks. We will see import or export bookmarks button. We have to click on import bookmarks. As you can see, import bookmarks and settings. Here we can choose from what web browser we want to import. For example, Chrome. We want to select items to import: browsing history, favorite and bookmark, saved password and cookies. We have to click import. Now we have to click done, and that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.